Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So, uh, my name is Azam Izan Kusuma, and you can call me Azam. And today I would like to present about my portfolio from the start of my junior high school year until the end, until now. Yeah, so welcome to my portfolio. This is the table of content. So, first we have curriculum vitae. The second we have game projects, website projects, IoT projects, multimedia projects, Android projects, and then English and Dinia projects. Okay, but firstly we have an introduction. So, let me introduce myself again. My name is Azam Kusuma. You can call me Azam, and I was born at 21st December at 2009, and I am currently 15 years old, and I am the second child to be born. Yes, I am the middle child of my family. It's nice to meet you. Okay, now we continue to my CV. So this you can contact me at my Instagram. That's my number, my Gmail, and I currently live at Bekasi in Indonesia, of course. And then my educations from my kindergarten is Avicenna at 2014, and yes, but my school is also Avicenna. And right now I am currently in SMP IDN Boarding School Jonggol at start when 2022. And the skills that I have learned at IDN is some designing, Figma, Canva, video edit, CapCut, Clipchamp, and website using WordPress and Google Sites. Some experience that I have already received is first teaching at IDN at SDT Salsabila, Korota Ayun, Al Ansor, Giriasuna, Pondok Media, Kantor Toyota, and Al Andalus. Yes, so I have teach many times, but these are the school names. And some competition, I have won many Olympiad of English and got golden medal, but yeah, I can only show you two. Okay, let's start at my game projects. Okay. So the first is catching fruit. Catching fruit is a simple game that I have made in Scratch. See, as you can see, there is Scratch, and it's a simple game about catching the falling fruit using a ball. So there is a ball that we control left and right, and we catch the falling fruits or the falling apples, and we get a point. But there's a catch. There is a beetle or a bat that is falling, and if you catch that, you get minus point. Yes. The second, we have Dino game. This I make in Buildbox. It's the first 2D game in Buildbox that we have made. Yeah, it's the original Chrome Dino game, the offline game. Yeah, we remake that, and and it's very same. Third, we have Pac-Man game. Of course, who doesn't know Pac-Man game? Everyone knows Pac-Man game. It's a game about a yellow ball eating coins, and there are ghosts. And the project we make in Scratch too, we make very simple, like the ghost just a circle with colors, and the Pac-Man. Yep, of course. And then we have jumping cube, and actually I don't have the picture for jumping cube. So yeah, it's a simple game about a cube jumping over a few obstacles like hole or spikes or like that, and we have like 3 lives, and we need to go to the finish. The last one, we have Block Breaker. This is a game about a ball that we bounce using a platform. So let's say the ball bounce to the platform and then bounce back to the wall, and then we break those blocks. Yes, very simple. Now we continue to the website projects. Okay. So my first website is the mosque website, a simple website about a mosque, Istiqlal. I remember this project in 7th grade I made. Why did I choose Istiqlal? Because when 7th grade, I is the first time I went to Istiqlal with my friends, Kenzi and Afino, and I decided to make my mosque website is Istiqlal. And then we have my school, my elementary school website, which is Abisena. Is a very simple website that I have made. Yeah, so in here you can see the front, the field, and the parking lot. And then the last one is my personal website, my own personal website that I have made by myself using WordPress. It's a website about me, some of my projects, and you guys can search it. Yeah, it's a very simple website about me, myself. If you want to know me better, you should visit my website. The name is azain.rf.gd. Okay, we continue to the IoT projects. First, we have line follower. So a simple IoT project about a robot following a line. So first we make the code in MakeCode or TinyBit. We make the code, and then after that we transfer to a chip. And then after that we connect the chip to the robot, and later there is some kind of banner we put on the ground with some lines. And then if the code works, the robots will follow the line. Yes, this is some simple coding. Yes, that's the project. Second, we have flood detector. So it's a project about detecting flood, but of course we make the small version and we only test it with a small cup. So later, if there is some kind of stick, and then if we put the stick to the water, later it have a sensor and it will show in our laptop like that. It's a simple flood detector. The third, we have fire detector. This is also simple. This can can detect the heat. So I think I remember we put I think we use a lighter, and then when it's close to the heat, it gives a sensor. Yeah, very similar to the flood detector, but it's heat, not wet. Then the third, we have weather station. This we use Pokwi. The weather station is a simple project about a device that we make for detecting the weather. Yeah, simple. Yes, and then the last one we have smart parking. This is actually a project, a group project. So we make a smart like TinyBit project, and my team decided to make a smart parking where we make a small parking lot, and later the what the name yeah, the crossbar can detect movement of a car. So we make a small parking and we make a small car. Later when the car move, later the crossbar will open by itself like that. This we use Walkme as well. Okay, continue to my multimedia projects. First we have visual merchandise, and in this my visual merchandise I decided to make Adidas shoes. Yes, I get some inspiration from Google and Pinterest, and I decided to make Adidas shoes. It's a very simple visual merch. Second, we have UI 3D design. This is where we make a UI 3D design using a 3D design like a 3D house or 3D something. And in here, I make a UI 3D design about a website about selling house. It's a very simple, but I'm pretty proud of the design. Third, we have the 3D house design, and this one we use Tinkercad, and it's about a 3D house that we make. So Tinkercad is similar like Buildbox, and I decided to make I decided to make a small house using 3D. There is many assets like trees, are already blocks, triangles. That's why it's a very simple, but yeah. The fourth, we have illustration. So this illustration, I make a game character, and this took pretty long. This I use Figma. And then the fifth, we have advertisement poster. And this is a simple project about a design about an ad poster. And as you can see from the picture above, I made myself a advertisement poster about Boba. Okay, we continue to our Android projects. First, we have calculator app. It's a simple calculator that we have made using Codular. This calculator cannot only just count plus, minus, times, or divided. This can also count using the shapes. Here, as you can see, that's the normal calculator here. Yes, this is if we want to count shapes like that. Yeah, we use Codular. It's very simple. And then the second, we have Talk to Me app. This Talk to Me app is pretty cool because we can type anything we want in the search bar, and then if we press speak, later it will speak using an AI voice. So we can, I don't know, we can type like Assalamualaikum, and then later the AI, if we press speak, the AI will say to us back Assalamualaikum, like that. The third, we have find my age. This is for lazy people, because it's about counting your own age. You just put your date, your month, your year, and then it will count your age and what stage are you? You know, there is kid, teenager, and adult. Yes, like that. Fourth, we have name card. It's a simple application about your own name card app. It's about your name, what are you, your house, and your number, and some project, books, and certificate. And then last but not least, we have our Bitakwa app. This is the only Android project we use Flutter or Visual Studio Code. And then this Bitakwa app is very good for Muslims. This have many feature like kajian video, zakat calculator, or azan time, like that. Yeah, it's very good. We continue to our English projects. First, we have final project, a project where my homeroom teacher, my very kind homeroom teacher, interviewed me about myself, like my house, my family, how many siblings do I have, like that. Yeah, that is the final project. Then second, we have practical exam where we make a video about a famous person. And this, I decided to make a video about Nikola Tesla, the founder of electricity. Okay, third, we have study and project plan. This project is a project where I presented about my study and my project plans in the future. Where do I want to continue, or what do I want to do, like that. Very simple. Okay, the fourth, we have my IT projects. So this is the projects where I presented about all of my IT projects from 7th grade, 8th grade to 9th grade, like 2D games, 3D games, websites, like that. Very simple. Yes. And then the last of English, the danger of shirk. This is a presentation where I explain about the dangers of shirk. If you're interested, you can watch my YouTube video. Okay, we continue to my Dinia projects. First, we have Hadis poster, a simple poster where I make about amalan. Yes, a simple poster where I make about amalan. Hey, if you can read, sure, go ahead, read the hadis. Okay, and then the second I make about Akidah poster, and it's about safar or traveling long. And then the third one is about fikih mind mapping. This is the fikih mind mapping about taking care of what mayyit or dead people. Yes. Okay, now we continue to the achievement. First, we have a certificate of English Olympiad, a certificate I got from joining an English Olympiad named POSN. And this certificate, I also get a golden medal at the Olympiad. And then the second one, we have I have the best English certificate from being the best English. So in IDN, there is a rule about speaking English 24/5. Yes, and then of course I got the best English at that month. Thank you so much. And there are actually many more certificate from Olympiads that I got, but I forget how many Olympiads have I joined. Okay, so we have experience, and then the first experience is Market Day, a special event where we go to the basketball field and then we sell some food. And our class decided to sell chicken rocket international. Yes, it's a very spicy chicken we sell. Yes, a simple chicken, and then we use hot lava sauce. But I did not join in the selling. I only join about buying the food or the ingredients, like that. And then the second one, we have class meeting, is where me and some of my friends become the PJ of class meeting. So class meeting is some sort of competition of each class have to join, and I became PJ with some of my friends because I joined student council. Yes. The third experience we have river explore or Susurungai. Yes, this is event where I joined. Actually, this event is for seventh grade, but I joined because because I joined the student council and I took care of one of the rooms of seventh grade. And then the fourth, this camping event. So this special event, actually a very random event where suddenly we were asked to camping, and then even though it's sudden, it's very cool experience. It's very fun, and then there's even there's even a curug where we get to swim. Then we continue to parenting event. Now this parenting event is actually when visiting day. Me and my friend became what became some sort of the people who handle the absent. Yes, and then our parents all come, and then there is a kajian, and then we eat together at the mosque. And then we continue to Google event or Gerege. This event, we went to a Google seminar that we joined. We bought the ticket by ourselves, and then after that we joined the seminar. And after the seminar, we get to do whatever we want. And then the next one we have leadership camping. This leadership camp is actually for seventh grade when they just arrived to IDN. And why did I join? Again, because I am part of student council and I became PJ. Yes, and the picture above you can see we are setting a fireplace. And then we have cooking class. It's a very nice event we have every a few weeks that we get to cook by ourselves. But this time it's special because we get to choose our own ingredients. As you can see here, some of my friends are picking the vegetables. And then the next one we have IDN teaching, a special event at IDN where we teach what we have learned to other schools. And this I teach at Pondok Media at Faisal's little brother's school. Okay. Ready? Okay. So thank you guys for listening to my presentation, for watching. It has been a great many years and it was fun in the end. Thank you all. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.